folks, Chris here, and here's a really quick one on was it worth my time scrapping this aluminum radiator. This came out of a Jeep, and I'm going to have a whole series on this possessed Jeep coming soon. Any case, I'm getting you a baseline of what this would be worth, just taking as is to your scrap yard, as really just steel, light iron, to maybe separating your metals to dirty aluminum. But anyway, here is a baseline, and again, I'm going to make this one quick. Well, folks, there it is, and ow, that hurt. Like always, I'm going to end with a quick disclaimer, and it fits in here.
Keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number one, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number two, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number three, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.